Hey guys, what's up? Y'all are, I'm gonna have to turn the air on. You guys are gonna hate this, but like, I cannot, it's foggy. Do you know how to drive? I hate this light. Yeah, I have to be at school at 7:25 in the morning. In my class. It's about 7:09 now and I'm coming up to my school. I haven't left this early in a while. I'm not even gonna say I'm using a camera. I'm obviously using my phone to record this, and I'm obviously using my phone to vlog because I don't have money. Wait a second. There are actual parking spots I can park in. One of the cons of always being late is that there are never parking spots. And I'm usually like at the very end of the aisle. I mean, I do have this issue where like I'll be like, no, there's one closer, and then I get closer and there isn't one closer. There we go. I'm in the lines. I do this thing where I just don't put my shoes on at home. I always put my shoes on in my car. Okay, my Converse are so disgusting. I wore them to a music festival. No, why didn't I clean them? Let's go. Yes. No. You didn't know that I cut them myself?
No, I watched the video and I was like, fish food.
Gross, it's dirty. We need to clean it. What?
You missed it, Ariel. I just sang the whole thing.
We're eating here tonight. No, wait, we're not eating here tonight. Wait. No, I just don't delete pictures.
My classroom is not my problem.
Vlog. So this is what it was like in high school for me. You gonna show your kids this?
Break.
Oh my gosh.
What, a burger?
Okay. I want one, but for my class.
17, 19, 13, those are.
I hate prime numbers.
Even though my favorite number is 13.
That's gross.
This is zoomed up super, super close.
Good thing I put on makeup today and I don't look that ugly. Just picking up candy off.
We're walking outside to our next class for the first time, and I honestly think that we're just gonna keep on doing this because we've never gotten over here this fast. I'm vlogging today and you look beautiful.
If I'm on that video, it's on YouTube, I'm going to see what that sequel is after.
Let me put the pencils out again unless they've fallen on the floor. Okay.
Hi. That's about it. Hi. Hi everyone.
I'm Megan.
Live your dreams, make a YouTube channel, and yeah.
I'm Megan's biggest fan.
No, I'm Megan's biggest fan.
Are y'all only friends with me for my fame?
Yes. Mom, I made it. I'm here.
You guys, it's Hope again, the one from the phone.
Yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, 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 oh.
Gay.
Are you blogging or crogging?
Friends. Hey, bye.
Vine? Did you
Kicking your door
Get got no jump about a ball. Young Stony, I do. I've been rolling 20X with the road. Hit the switch up a suicide door.
What is she doing?
Hi, ho. I keep forgetting it doesn't zoom.
Zoom.
Okay, bye.
Why was you chewing so fast? Bro, that ass.
Kayla.
No, you can't laugh.
Sing hi.
What?
Not this way.
Bro, we got Dora. We got Dora in the cut.
Hey. Watch your profanity.
Watch your profanity.
Watch your profanity.
What was that sound?
Me breathing.
Hey! Okay, so if y'all don't know where I am right now, I am in algebra right now. We go to lunch in 5 minutes.
This is my house. I just made me a sandwich, peanut butter and jelly. We're still selling fake door. I take a lot of pictures like this.
When did that Walmart kid be coming?
Okay, we're going to lunch.
About to go get some food.
Yes, Cam.
I can't be. I want to be in her vlog. Hi guys, I'm Elena. Follow me on Twitter. You know, follow me on the socials.
Pretty face.
And in the evening, she still sings it with the band.
I'm the girl who walks down the hallway holding a tripod and her phone on it and a selfie stick to vlog, and everybody hates me. So. Oh. Wow.
Wow.
Okay, what's on the menu today? What do you have? Yeah.
She has the same thing as she's had since like 6th grade.
How are you enjoying school today?
It's crap.
It's crap?
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
We will actually look at it again between now and your time. Alright, when we have
A day in the life with Megan. Our hallways are literally the most obnoxious thing in the world.
all time.
Yes.
Like traffic.
Like
traffic downtown.
This isn't even bad. Like, okay, so this isn't the worst that it is. In the mornings between first and second period, you're just not moving. And we have one hallway in our
People stand
entire
in the middle of the hallway
school.
and they don't care.
We have one hallway. It's the babes. It's the babes.
Are you vlogging?
It's the walled haven in her natural habitat.
Hey again.
Dude, I'm freezing.
Hey, Megan's vlog. This is Austin. This is English class.
I'm really vlogging.
Are you gonna put like pictures in it too, like little like pop-ups? Cause you should take one of me like this.
We're out. We just had our last class. And not Austin. Not Austin. He's going to 7th.
Have fun in 7th.
Leaving.
We're leaving. Ho ho.
We're going home. For a little while at least. There's a wasp. There's a wasp. There's a wasp. Hey. Oh yeah, she's definitely staring at me. He's definitely staring at me, and I'm definitely being stared at right now. It's about 3:12. I have to be back at the school for rehearsal, so I'm about to go eat something.
Honestly, it's crazy to me that just yesterday was Easter though, and Easter is kind of like the Christian Super Bowl. This will never fucking end.
You must think that I'm new to this. A soul like you. Are you listening? Let me talk, let me sing.
Okay, so I'm home and we're gonna put some maps in my car, and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it's like 8:30 now. I went upstairs and I started watching Emma Chamberlain, and then now it's 8:30. I fell asleep because I'm tired, and here I am. I'm about to go downstairs and eat dinner. Move anyways. Weird. Ow!